In this video, I will show you how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to WordPress. In order to do that, just type in here the domain that you want to use and then just click on the search domains that you can see right here. Now it will search for some domain extensions that you can actually use onto your WordPress. So what you can do in that case is to just choose one and then just click on this cart icon and then click on this looks good, keep going. And then you should be able to see in here your cart. So what you can do is you can just check out your cart from in there and then just sign in and then register it to yourself. Now once you have actually gotten this domain and bought it, head over right here to your actual WordPress. Scroll down. You can head over right here to your settings. Once I've clicked on that, you can see this. We have in here the site address. Just click on this custom domain option. Now in here, just put in here what we have just copied earlier. Just search for it right here, and then you should be able to see this right there. Just connect those two together.